My name is Stephen Dixon.
My name is Chantel Petticord.
Hello, I'm Sebastian Arizola.
My name is Spencer Fitch.
I'm Anna Faras,
My name is Kevin Charles.
And I'm a 3D artist.
Ambassador of Embraer's Global Customer Center.
I'm a product development engineer.
And I'm a sales demonstration pilot.
I'm a production interior supervisor.
I'm a sales engineer.
I help bring our designs to life.
My team and I make sure the customers have a great experience when they visit us.
I'm responsible for making sure that all of the interiors are assembled correctly.
I help provide technical data for the sales directors.
I work with the designing of the interiors.
We get to go to some of the most amazing destinations with some of the most amazing people.
My background is in automotive design, but after I learned more about aviation, I fell in love with the industry.
I used to work in film, doing visual effects for movies. I help visualize our aircraft.
I started as an intern.
I started my aviation career with the Space Shuttle program.
I used to watch aircraft do touch and goes over at Patrick Air Force Base. I used to look in there and imagine what would it be like to fly those aircraft. I actually ended up doing that, becoming that naval aviator.
My first flying lesson when I was 13 as an introductory flight as a birthday present.
There are so many parts are involved in aviation, so you can have all different backgrounds and be a part of it.
Being able to fly the most cutting edge airplanes all over the world is just an amazing lifestyle. I wouldn't do anything else.
Being able to describe not only what's going on the flight deck, but what is going on with the systems of the aircraft was a great fit for sales engineering.
The aviation industry needs creative minds and artists to help push ideas down the line.
The aviation industry has been great for growth. Going from an intern to being a supervisor has been really fun as I get to enjoy the puzzles of the airplane.
If you're one of the type of people that'll stop what they're doing just to see an aircraft fly over, then business aviation is probably one of the career paths for you.
The aviation industry is a great place to see professional growth, to see technological growth. If you want something new and better and faster and bigger, then you can have the opportunity to help contribute to make aviation progress forward.